Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to add your bank account on the Uber driver app, and to do so it's very easy. There are a few steps that you need to follow, so let's get straight into it. The first thing you have to do is to access your wallet through the driver app. So launch the application on your smartphone to begin, then tap the menu icon on the top left corner of your app. So it's supposed to be three horizontal lines. So open the main menu, then select wallet. After that, you will manage your payment options. So choose payment methods. Within the wallet, select payment methods to view your linked accounts, and then select bank account. From the list of options, tap on bank account to manage your banking details. Now, for editing your bank details, you have to tap Edit. On the bank account screen, tap the Edit button to modify your existing information. Then enter your bank details by carefully inputting your updated bank account number, your routing number, and any other required information. Then verify the information, so double check all the entered details for accuracy to prevent any payment delays. Now, save your changes securely. So once you have entered and verified all your bank account details, the final step is to save your changes securely. So ensure all the fields are correctly filled and confirm that the account information matches your bank records, and then your data will be encrypted for your security. And that's it guys. Now you will finalize your update by tapping done. After confirming all the details, tap done button to finalize and save the new bank information, and then confirm. You will receive a confirmation message that your bank details has been successfully updated. And that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this helped you.